Today we're going to be checking out my new Blackstone 22-inch tabletop griddle. We're going to go ahead and open it up, get it set up, and show you how I season it, and then cook on it. Alright, so here's the main burners. Got two different burners, which is nice, so you can have high heat, low heat. It comes with the grease catch and one liner. And there's the table, the griddle itself, pretty stout. So what we have to do now is put the feet on, hook the propane up. Alright, so we have it assembled. Hand tighten the regulator to the griddle, and then hand tighten the bottle here. This is kind of janky, a little bit. This does have automatic lighting, kind of like my big Blackstone. That right there worked for about 2 times. I just light it with an aim and flame from underneath. The pegs were a little bit difficult to get in, and there's supposed to be little grooves to slide in. That didn't work real well, so I don't know how this is going to be moving forward, if it's going to be a pain in the butt. So let's read the instructions. Push the control knob. Hard to see. Yeah, the sun's right behind me. So we're going to push the control knob in to start gas flowing. Turn the control knob counterclockwise to activate the starter. Oh. There we go. That one lit too. Alright, so we're going to let it heat up, and I'll show you how I season it. Alright, the griddle's getting up to temp. I'm going to go ahead and throw the bacon on and see how that does as far as seasoning it and getting it ready to cook. As you can see, the bacon is wanting to stick a little bit, which is fine. We're going to let it all cook down really well done and feed it to the cats, and then we'll be ready to cook dinner on it. Alright, we pulled the bacon off. It was well done. Feed it to the cats. Now we're gonna put some oil on the Blackstone and start cooking. We got some boneless pork chops that I put a rub on, and then we have a mixture of Yukon Gold and russet potatoes that were cut thin and sprinkled with all season and garlic salt. Alright, as you see, a couple potatoes are wanting to stick, but nothing major. Just keep adding a little bit of oil here and there. And I'm about to pull all of this off and enjoy dinner. Y'all take it easy.